You can see this whole street is just nothing but clothes. I really like that bus. Merhaba abi. Şu bus kaç para? Those are 200 lira. I really like them. They look really good. Merhaba abi. Those are real leather, so 220 for those. And they look better. I can definitely tell the quality better than the other ones. But these are 75 liras. They're not real leather. Those are real leather.
And replica, original.
220. You're saying the same thing at the Grand Bazaar is 1,000 lira. I can definitely tell the quality's getting better.
Wow.
Kids' clothes starting to pop up. Men's clothes. More bags here. The beauty of this bazaar is, it's closed. So if it rains, you can still shop around. So you got the Turkish flag, Palestinian flag, and the blue one is actually Turkmen flag, which is in northern Iraq, which is actually what we are. So that's a Turkmen flag. It's a Turkish flag with blue. There's about 2 million Turkmens still live in northern Iraq, or Turks, should we call them. Those are 150, 170. Not bad actually. Those are 100 right there. That's actually the cheapest one we've seen so far. And the qualities look really good actually. 140, 80. We got kids, dresses up there. Teşekkürler. Ben almıyorum, teşekkürler. Ama göstereyim istersen. So you can see these are all kids' clothes, jackets. That's a two-piece. İki parça, okay. So that one is 950. So of course you got more stores. The more store you can go into in hidden little streets or tiny streets, I recommend it. That's where you're gonna get the best deals. I mean, this is like, a kid at a candy store. So many clothes. I don't know where to look. Merhaba. Bunlar kaç para abi? 450. Those are 450, which is not bad. More kids' clothes, more family clothes. These are really nice. Ama bunlar kaç para? So these are 20 liras more, but the quality is a lot better. So every time they say, yardımcı olurum, that means I'm willing to give a discount. So you hear that word, yardımcı olurum, that means I'm willing to work on the price. So that's always good.